Hi Stampin' friends, today I have a 3D Valentine for you. It uses the All My Love Designer Series paper, and it uses the Celebration Choice Lovely Lipstick, and then I also have one to show you that uses the Grapefruit Grove designer foil, and it uses the All My Love ribbon on this particular color, and it holds either a Ghirardelli strawberry bark square. Now I was only able to find large quantity bags of these at Target. They have the 2 packs at Walgreens, but they're more expensive. Or you could put tea bags inside. I've seen these before with tea bags inside, so it makes kind of a cute little presentation for just a really small little gift. So I wanted to tell you that I looked at several different ways of making these, and I preferred the measurements by Joan Robertson on YouTube. Is where I found it. And here's a little tip. When I first got my Simply Scored scoring board, I drew some lines on it because I like to be able to score from point to point, and this makes it really simple to do that. So what you want to do, you can either fold, or you can do it my way and score down the points of a 6x6 piece of designer series paper. Then you fold it over. Still might need to kind of line things up neatly. Then you'll put the long side against the left side of your board and score at 1/2 inch, which this is more difficult to do sitting down. Try to do a good job. And then after you've done that, then you need to flip it over and do it again on the other side, just so that it'll be nicely scored. Then you're going to turn it horizontally, and you're going to score at 2 3/4. And I do it twice since we're scoring through both sides. Then you flip it over and do it again at 2 3/4. Here are the measurements, in case you can't exactly understand what I'm trying to say. Then you take this, you fold the sides over, burnish the little creases. Then you fold up both sides on the outer score, and then the inner score becomes a mountain inside. See what I'm talking about? Mountain fold. Inside, you meet up your corners, then take your 1/2 inch circle punch, and mine is still the old style, I've had it a while. Center it as best you can, and then punch. Then I used 12 inches of the All My Love ribbon. Run it through, and then I just tied it into a bow. Then at the bottom, I used a dimensional. Just gives it a little more sturdiness here to hold it together. And then from the Be Mine Framelits, I use these cute little hearts for decoration on each side. And go ahead and tie this so that you can see. It looks great in a variety of ways. If you want to see these finished, you can see them on my blog. I'll have those up in just a few minutes. Then I also wanted to show you what it looks like with this other paper, because it's slightly different. It's the pink pattern in this. So it kind of has a different feel. And my mountain fold again. And then my punch. Then for this one I wanted to use white ribbon. So I just used this white polka dot. And there's a variety of pretty white ribbons that we have right now, so got lots of choices. Yeah, I guess I'm nervous. I don't usually get nervous, but I guess I'm having a little trouble with my bow this morning. Okay, so on this one, I thought, strangely enough, that the Grapefruit Grove heart cut out of the Be Mine Framelits actually looks quite good in this. I'm gonna gives it a little extra so you decide what you think on that. Thanks for watching.